Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install free VPN on iPhone. Now in order for us to get started, let's go ahead and open the App Store right here. And once we've opened that one, let's go ahead and click the search bar right here and let's go ahead and type VPN and then click the search button just like so. Now there are a couple of VPNs here that we can use. What I have been using is the first option right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. It's a 4.7 rated application. And yeah, I think this works very well for me. So I'm going to show you how it works. And let's go ahead and try downloading it for this application. And let's go ahead and start downloading it for this phone. All right, I'm going to go ahead and tap the open button right here and then click accept and continue, allow. And yeah, this is the thing. It's going to ask you to upgrade to premium, but you don't really need to do that. So what you're going to do is scroll down and you should be able to see here something that says proceed with ads. Ads allows us or allows this application to be free. So you're going to be seeing some application or advertisement here. And there are different here like servers available, but you have the first option, the fastest. So we're going to go ahead and choose that one and then click the allow button right here. And there you go. So now we are connected to the US server. And yeah, again, everybody, that's how you're going to install free VPN on iPhone.